Alrighty, so we've got mail. One of many things that are coming this week. This! Can World of Books redeem themselves? I hope so, because there's 9 more fucking things coming from them. Or is it 8? 8 more things coming from World of Books in the next few days. So, can they redeem themselves with this one? Because we know they fucked up last time. And it looks like it is what it says. So, I don't know why they do well with books, but they're atrocious with DVDs. I don't know why that is. Green Arrow and Black Canary, 5 stages. By J.T. Kroll. Green Arrow, Black Canary, 27 to 30. See, that goes into that collection. See, I've got Green Arrow, Black Canary, Road to the Altar, Green Arrow, Black Canary, The Wedding Album, Green Arrow, Black Canary, Family Business, and Green Arrow and Black Canary, A League of Their Own. That's 5 stages, and there's 2 more coming. There's 2 more coming. So that's one of them, 5 stages. So that's a good start from World of Books. So let's see what's in this one. Aha! Individual issues. I know what these are then. Tales of the Witchblade, issue 3 and issue 4. I'm just missing one more, the Wizard issue, and then I've got all the future verse of thingamajig. So let's see what's in this, the final one. There's some more stuff coming today, at least a DVD, or there should be anyway. Green Arrow and Black Canary, Enemies List, Andrew Kreisberg, and that's 15 to 20. 15 to 20. And that was $11 to 14. So that one goes after that one. Enemies List. So there's one more to come. And it's by J.T. Kroll as well, so and this leads into a Blackest Night. Does that. So, yes. So that's not bad. Green Arrow, Black Canary, Enemies List and 5 stages. From Andrew Kreisberg and J.T. Kroll. No, Andrew Kreisberg, both Andrew Kreisberg. And also J.T. Kroll. He took silver, so, yeah. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. One more to come. Don't know when. But anyway, that's subscribe. And love you all.